Everyone, if you need a 15 USDT money, just go to the link in the description, click on Discord link, enter the Discord, go to the giveaway booth channel and drop a heart. That's it. Anyways, now coming back to the XRP, yesterday we made an XRP video update, and there are two things that I'm looking forward to for XRP, by the way. And one is going to be the following. When I dive into the 4-hour time frame right here, you can see that XRP made a very nice good shoot to the upside, but according to my own personal opinion, this is a confusion where if this is a zone of trading or not. Now, I'm not trading in this zone, of course, but one zone that I'm going to trade is this one or that right there. Now, the reason for these two zones are the following. Okay, I'm going to go back into the daily and tell you why. Because on the daily time frame, the pump that happened yesterday got a bullish closing like this. You can see this is a very nice bullish closing right there. And you do have a particular triangle right now. You have a triangle that goes like this, and this is where you broke out. Now, the apex of that triangle, of course, was coming down to nearly this date right here. Maybe somewhere in May is where the actual decision was going to happen. But we're getting it on a March, so that's something good to see. Anyways, the thing is that this zone or that zone to trade, reason number one for the zone here is that you broke out and this is the retest. You come for the retest, that's the zone where we can actually consider trading. Reason number two for trading up here is the following, that you got a nice good potential W coming in, and you break out of the W, that's like a double bottom forming up in here. You go up like this, come for the retest, that's another zone. And then you trade it all the way up. So these are two things. Because let me tell you one thing. Yes, you made a pump, but this is not a secret that when you go down and you fall inside the triangle again, then this is just nothing more than a meaningless pump. That is just fishing people to drop them down again, and that's just manipulation, nothing else. Manipulative pump to make people think, oh yeah, we're bullish once again. Because I mean, come on, how many beginners are going to say that yeah, XRP is alive again just because of one pump, which is not even a big deal to begin with if you're experienced. So it must be a big deal if you're coming down to retest and hold support and then bounce off here to go up, or maybe just continue up and break this particular pattern here. Then we're going to see how good that this pump really was and if it means something or not. Hope it makes sense, and that's it for this quick XRP video update today. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.